Now, let's look at investment trends and expectations in Asian markets. A Bloomberg Markets Life Pulse survey shows that investors should look towards India rather than China or Japan, and this is mainly driven by India's potential to convert its growing economy into corporate profits. Our next report telling you more. Take a look.
Global investors now have three competing polls for regional allocations in Asia. This is mainly because of strong rises in Indian and Japanese shares and the downturn in China's market. Among the three Asian behemoths, over half the respondents in the Bloomberg survey chose India as the greatest investment. That comes despite Japan's advancements in bettering corporate governance and China's enticingly cheap stock prices. The survey is a vote of faith in India Inc. as the world's biggest democracy prepares for general elections beginning on April 19th and ending on June 1st. As a result of a rally propelled by fast economic development in India and the gradual return of inflation and corporate reforms in Japan, stock indices in both countries have soared to new heights this year. Now, Indian stocks are trading at roughly 23 times the predicted earnings for next year, which is more than the US, Japan, and China combined. Chinese stocks have fallen by about 40% from their three-year high as a result of deflation and the housing crisis. Over half of those surveyed by Bloomberg predicted that the Chinese stock market will do worse than its Japanese and Indian counterparts in the next 12 months. Indian equities attracted $25 billion in net inflows for the year through March, compared with just $5.3 billion for China. The reasons behind the rise in Indian shares include the growing population and optimism that the growing middle class will feed into higher corporate profits. Among the survey's positive aspects, 41% of respondents cited India's infrastructure. The government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has more than tripled its infrastructure allocation from 5 years ago to more than 11 trillion rupees or $132 billion for the 2025 fiscal year. Through 2030, Modi plans to upgrade vital infrastructure with an investment of 143 trillion rupees. The South Asian nation has also fast emerged as an alternative to China for global manufacturing, with the likes of Apple beefing up its production facilities in the country. By report, WION World is One.